Welcome to Easy Drawing Classroom. Hello friends. I'm Anna Maria. Nice to meet you. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to draw giraffes. Let's get started. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth, plus, they are truly unique and fascinating creatures. They can be found in the savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands of Africa. Giraffes are known for their incredible height. An adult giraffe can grow up to 18 feet tall. Their long necks alone can be about 6 feet long. Despite their long necks, giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans, which are 7. Every giraffe has a unique coat pattern, kind of like a human fingerprint. Their coats are covered in spots that can be different shapes, sizes, and colors, ranging from light tan to dark brown. These spots help them blend into their surroundings, providing some camouflage from predators like lions. G for giraffe. Now, it's time to paint. Brown. Giraffes love to eat leaves, especially from acacia trees. They use their long tongues to wrap around the leaves and pull them off branches. What do you guys think? Our drawing is cute, isn't it? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, yellow. Everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You know what? Giraffes don't need much sleep. They only sleep about 30 minutes to 2 hours a day, usually in short naps. This helps them stay alert for predators. When they do sleep, they often do it standing up, but sometimes they will lie down with their necks resting on their bodies. All done. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Thanks for watching. See you next video.